Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy and non-toxic way to clean your shower. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm going to show you a shower hack. Okay, so let me show you what the shower looks like. So it's large, it's tile, so we've got tile and grout lines in here, and we've got this ledge. This always collects water, and as a result you can see the mildew that builds up in these grout lines. So we have lived in this house since March, and you can see that in some of the areas where the water really doesn't hit, we have no problem whatsoever. In fact, up here you can kind of see that the original grout lines were tan. But then lower, you can see that somebody has kind of bleached them out in the past because these are a much lighter color. I'm not sure if that's coming through on the camera, but those are more of a tan. These are approaching white. So since we have lived in this house, I've been trying to figure out what to do about the shower, how to get the mildew and mold under control. I've been cleaning it since day one. Nothing's really worked that well, including Tilex and bleach containing products. But I found a better solution, and one that's green, one that's non-toxic, so that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to clean the shower with Mrs. Meyers Baking Soda Cream Cleanser. Now this is a non-toxic, it's scratch-free, so you can use it on tile and grout, and it does have a lemon verbena scent, so it smells nice. It doesn't smell like bleach. So we're going to use this and try to see if we can get this shower clean and try to get this mold and mildew out of here. Okay, so here's some of the before. You see kind of the orange on the floor tile. Here we actually have like mildew showing up black, and then on like this surface here, this sort of ledge, we have a lot of kind of turning a brownish orangey color. Over here I have applied the Mrs. Meyers Baking Soda Cream Cleaner, and I've let it sit here for probably about 10 minutes. I've tried this without letting it sit, and it still works really, really well. But if you let it sit, it actually cleans a lot better. So you can see that where it's like brown, orange there, see how it's getting back towards its natural color. It's not being bleached out, so it's not going to be a stark white, but it's certainly not the color that it was. That's a much better result. And honestly, this is at least as good of a result as I was getting with bleach, if not better. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the shower and show you the end result that we get. So in addition to the Mrs. Meyers Baking Soda Cream Cleanser, I'm also using the walnut scrubber sponges from Grout Collaborative. So right now I'm showing you how I am scrubbing using the walnut scrubbing sponge, just because this area was really bad and I really wanted to deep clean it. But there's another method that you can use with this cleaning product that's a whole lot easier, and I'll show you that in a minute as well. So in my description box below, I have a link to Grout Collaborative where you can claim your free Mrs. Meyers gift set. It comes with a free Mrs. Meyers hand soap, dish soap, multi-surface spray, walnut scrubber sponges, that's a pack of 2, and then it also has free shipping and a free VIP trial. So if you're interested in that, just click on the link in the description box below. Those walnut scrubbers are what I'm using here to clean the shower. At the end of this video, I'll also provide a second shower cleaning hack that I sometimes use that works just as well as this. Okay, so I've cleaned this area right here. That's where the black was. That's actually just right below the shower head. And water stands right there, and you can see how much better that is. And also this ledge also looks great now. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning the rest of the shower. Those were the worst places, but I still have some orangey areas here. And I've got a couple of areas just kind of along here that I'm gonna try to get clean as well. The second way that you can clean your shower using the same cleaner is just take a wet sponge and kind of make a paste and smear the cream cleanser all over the shower floor, and then you're going to just come back with a mop and just water and go ahead and take that off. You want to let it sit for maybe 20 minutes, and then you can clean it without having to do any scrubbing. Unless you're using the mop method, you are going to want to make sure that you go back and rinse your shower really well with water just to get all the cleanser off of your tile. Okay, the shower's done. I'll show you what the floor looks like now. So it's a lot lighter. It was like sort of orangey in the grout lines. It's a whole lot better now. Over here in this area was actually black. It's a lot better now. Okay, the second hack that you can use for cleaning your shower is to use Method Toilet Bowl Cleaner. You've probably seen tutorials online about using a toilet bowl cleaner to clean your shower, but the Method cleaner does not use bleach, so it's a safe alternative. The shower's clean. I'm really happy to have found a safe alternative to bleach that works really well on the grout. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.